Hello and welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. Do you want to flip your data from rows to columns in Excel? In this quick guide, I'll show you two easy ways, static and dynamic, to transpose like a pro. Let's dive in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the data that I want to transpose. The first method that I will explain is the static one. For this purpose, I will just select this data and copy it, and after this I'll go to the place where I want to transpose it. For example, I will go to this cell and here I will right click and I will choose paste special. Here I will check this transpose and then click OK. So now you can see that the data is transposed. Your columns are flipped into rows. Now this method is a static method because whenever I will change anything in the parent data, the change will not be converted into this transposed data. For example, if I change the age of the Ahmed from 29 to 30, you can see that the age is changed in the parent data that is not seen in the transposed data. So therefore it's a static method. I'm going to revert these changes so that I can explain the second method. In the second method, we will use a Microsoft Excel function that is called the transpose function. For this purpose, I will write equal transpose, and after this I will select the data that I want to transpose. I will select this data, close this bracket and hit enter. So now our columns are flipped into the rows in a dynamic way. If I change anything in the parent data, like now if I change the age of Ahmed from 29 to 30, you can see that the similar changes are automatically incorporated into this transposed data. And there you have it, two easy ways to transpose data in Excel depending on whether you want one-time fix or a flexible update. If this was helpful, give it a like, share it with your Excel friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel magic. Got questions or want to see other features covered? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.